Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can delete all of your email at once in Hotmail. So I want to clarify this confusion. Hotmail has been bought by Microsoft and Microsoft has changed Hotmail's name into Outlook. So if you're trying to do anything in Hotmail, basically you're trying to do it in Outlook. So that's why instead of Hotmail, it's showing me Outlook over here. So don't get confused. All right, guys. So the first thing you want to do is you want to come into outlook.live.com, which is now the official website URL of Hotmail. It has also been changed. Once you come to this website and log in into your account of Hotmail, this is going to appear. And once this dashboard appears, you want to click on Inbox over here. Once you click on Inbox, all the email you receive is going to be on this page. Now over here, right beside Inbox, you can see this little select button. Click on the select button and then click on this little button right beside Inbox. Once you click on it, every single email is going to be selected on your email or on your inbox. And once every email is selected on your inbox, at the top what you want to do is click on empty folder. Once you click on empty folder, it says delete. So click on OK and every single email which you receive is going to be deleted. And if you want to undo it, you can just click on undo and the delete will be undone as well. But that is how we guys can delete all of your email at once, or bulk delete your email. So I hope you understand how you guys can delete all of your email at once in Hotmail or Outlook. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future videos related with Outlook or Hotmail just like this. And if you guys have any question, ask me in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. I'll see you guys next time.